Guys, so been out here working on getting this new blade on. Oiled it all up, it was a little rusty. I'm doing these pine logs here, and I mean, they're pretty beefy. It's my 262 with a 24-inch bar next to it, and then that one there is even worse. I was feeling I was going to have a problem getting through this back half here. I mean, it's girthy. So, well, I thought I'd bring you guys along to see what the blade does. The good old 40 over there. Never let me down. I took the time while I had the blade off, cleaned the babbitt bearing out. I have a roller bearing on this end. When they took the belt drive off this way back in the day, he had to put a roller bearing on it. But I'm trying this. It's Kluber's NB52 Isoflex. It's really good. So I had a couple things that were laying around and figured might as well use it. I'm not putting the guide pin holder back on until I see whether this is going to run or not. If it doesn't run without wobbling all over, then I'll keep it on. If not, I'm going to put the 50 back on. Camera holder here. I was covered in grease. Guys, for an idle, she looks like she's spinning pretty nice. I don't want to get too close. I covered it in motor oil. See, my neighbor that I buy the logs from, he worked at the paper mill in Muskegon here, and he picked up a job with the place that bought the paper mill. And the guy, it was named Melching Excavation, and he scrapped the whole building, well, just about everything in it, and it paid for what he paid for it. So, but anyways, when they were cleaning out the mechanic shop, they had a lot of big 300, 400, 500 gallons of oil in oil tanks sitting around for the machines, new oil. So I got me a whole 55-gallon drum of SAE 30. Looks brand new. So I'm using that to cover the sawmill and for my bars and chains. And well, let's see, I'll turn it up here. Oh guys, she looks like she's cooking pretty good. Standing nice and straight. We might have a winner. Oh, wonder why my chain drag ain't moving. sprayed with oil. Damn it. I was standing in here. I might have dropped a wrench or something on it. Oh yeah. My plans are I have a whole lot of this drag chain. I just shortened it up. It was supposed to be only temporary, but I plan on mounting it on that tree. That way I can whip up in here with my tractor and take scoops out or just push it off into the woods over there. You know, I've been trying to put it in my driveways around 2 tracks and everything, but I just ain't got no time. I was about halfway through the new teeth I put on here. But this new used blade looks like I'll be able to get some life out of the teeth that came on it. Yeah, it's spinning nice. Even when I cranked it up, well, I had the little blade was set at about 400, or not 400, sorry, about 550. It says 600 on it, but it ran nice at 550, and the less I have to stress out my motor running at that higher RPM, the better. But when I just revved her up to that setting, it spun nice. And the 50 worked good. I'm just too lazy to change all them teeth. I guess not too lazy, just too busy. I coated it down with oil too. Problem is I had a bunch of diesel oil that was black. First I was squirting that all over on the tracks and everything. You see it just stained the crap out of my carriage and ruined half of my clothes, and so I'm done using that. I don't know what I'm gonna do all this change all this way. I'm gonna throw that pump sprayer away and give me a new one. They're only $10, and I'll put some of that new stuff in here so that I can just spray everything down. Well, I think it's gonna work. I'll get the rest of it together, and I'll do a video of me cutting on this pine log. Thanks for watching.